In this section, we are going to model our first class in Java. See, classes are used for representing the real world objects into programming world. For representing any real world object into a programming world, a class must have properties and behavior. In order to represent any real world object into programming world, we must follow these steps. Step number 1, first select the real world entity. Let's take the example of television. Now, list down its properties and behavior. For example, a television can have properties like channel number, volume, brand name, and price. Television can have behavior like change channel, change volume, turn on or turn off television. These are the actions which we perform with the help of buttons on television. Yes, behavior represents the action which we perform on real world objects. Now, once the properties and behavior is listed down, from these properties and behavior, we are going to generate the class diagram. This is the logical representation of a class. In this diagram, first row represents the name of a class. First row represents the name of a class. Second row represents the properties of real world object. This plus means public. Plus means public, and this is the name of my property. And this is the data type of my property. Third row represents the behavior or actions which can be performed on a television object. In programming, we show actions or behavior with the help of function. Here again, plus means public. This is the name of my function and this is the parameter list of my function. After colon, we are showing the return type of a method. In this case, return type of method is void. Once the class diagram is ready, upon this design, we are going to create the actual class diagram. Based on this class diagram, we are going to create our television class in Java. See, in Java, for creating a class, class keyword is used followed by the name of a class. Class is going to contain at least two things: properties and behavior. Properties are shown by variables and behavior is shown by member functions. Functions which are part of a class are known as member functions. See, in this class diagram, plus means public. This is the name of my field and this is the data type of my field. In this class, I am having two properties, channel and volume. Now, behavior. In this class, I am having two functions which are performing operation on channel and volume. Change channel function is going to change the channel value. Change volume function is going to change the value of a volume. Inside my application runner class, I am having main method. In this method, I am creating the object of television class. This is nothing but reference variable and this is object creation. In Java, we create object with the help of new keyword followed by the constructor call. Constructor is a special type of method which is having same name as of a class. Constructor is used to initialize the object. See, whenever we use new keyword, a memory is created inside heap. Initially, at this memory, all the fields of an object will be initialized with default value, which means channel will hold the 0 value, volume will also hold 0 volume. Assume this object is created at 1270 memory location. Reference variable is going to point that memory. See, the content of reference variable is always a memory address. Reference variable is a special type of variable which is going to hold either null value or address of some object. Now, we can change the value of channel and volume with the help of behavior, with the help of these methods.